Is your ASUS Vivobook 17 battery dying too fast? Repair shops charge over $100 for this 10-minute replacement. But there's one hidden screw most people miss, and it can damage your laptop if you're not careful. I'll show you exactly where it is. First, flip your laptop over and remove every visible screw. Here's a pro tip that saved me a lot of searching and frustration. Some screws in this laptop are different lengths. If you mix them up, you could damage components during reassembly. Grab a piece of tape and write numbers on it, then stick each screw to its number as you remove it. This simple trick will save you so much time later. Think all screws are out? Not quite. There's still one more hiding. Most people miss this and damage their laptop trying to force it open. It's under this innocent-looking cover. Use tweezers, a needle, or small screwdriver to lift this tiny cover. And there it is, the hidden screw that stops most people. Remove it carefully. This little screw would have caused a lot of frustration. Now we can safely open the case. Open the laptop slightly like this, it gives you better access. The case is still held together by internal clips. You need a plastic spudger for this. Never use metal, or you could short-circuit your motherboard. Here's the safe technique. Insert the spudger here, and work your way around the edges. You'll hear a small click when each clip releases. That's exactly what you want. Go slowly, especially near the USB ports where the plastic is more fragile and can break easily. Some resistance is normal, just don't force anything. Once all clips are released, you can lift the top section slightly, but stop. See these ribbon cables? They're still connected, and the connectors are very fragile. Pull too hard, and you could damage the keyboard and touchpad connections. Flip up this little clip, it's like a tiny door. Then the cable slides out like silk. Do the same for the touchpad cable. Now you're safe to proceed. Once both cables are disconnected, you can remove the palm rest completely. Look how easy that was. If this is saving you a repair shop visit and some serious cash, smash that like button. Need a replacement battery or the exact tools I'm using? Everything's linked in the description below. Finally, the battery is right here, held by just 3 screws. Remove these 3 screws and lift the battery out. See how it tilts up? That's exactly how your new one needs to go back in. Installation is the reverse of what we just did. Drop the new battery in the same way this one came out. Secure it with the 3 screws. Reconnect your ribbon cables. Then snap the palm rest back into place. Your battery will last for hours again. You've saved money and learned a valuable skill. Want to upgrade your ASUS Vivobook 17 even more? Check out my complete playlist: SSD upgrade, RAM expansion, display replacement, and full teardowns. Link in description.